Hello, this is for 3rd grade. Today we're doing lesson 12 and we'll start by writing the amount. So number 1, we have 1 dime, 10 cents, 1 penny, 1 cent, two quarters, and a nickel. 2 quarters is 50 cents and a nickel is 5 cents. So altogether that's 66 cents. So $0.66. Number 2, we have a dollar bill, a dime, a penny, and two other dimes, and altogether that's $1.31. 31 cents. Yeah. Okay, and then number 3, we have $2 here, $2, and then 2 dimes, 20 cents. And then 2 quarters and a penny will combine that, which is $0.51. And altogether that would be $2.71. And then the last one is the same thing. Next, we're gonna fill in the table. So we're gonna look at how many quarters we need to get $4.75, including the $4 bills here. So we have $4 already and we need 75 cents more. So that's 3 quarters. Number 2, we have $4 bills and 2 quarters already. So that's $4.50, and we also have a nickel. So that's $4.55. So how many more dimes do we need to get $4.75? Let's write that, $4.55. And then we would need 20 cents more. So that would be 2 dimes. Number 3, we have $4 bills, 2 quarters, 5 pennies. So how many dimes? That's again $4.55. So we would need 2 dimes again. Number 4, we have $4 bills, 1 quarter, and we need, how many dimes do we need to get $4.75? So we have $4.25 right now. So we would need 50 cents more, which is 5 dimes more to get $4.75. And number 5, we have $4 bills, 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 1 nickel. How many more pennies do we need? So we have $4 bill. We have a $4 bill and a quarter, 25 cents, plus a dime. 25 plus 40 cents is 65 cents. Oops. And then we have a nickel, 0.05. So it's $4.70. So we need 5 more cents, which is 5 more pennies. Next, use greater than, less than, or equal to compare the amounts of money. So number 1, we have $3, 2 quarters, 1 nickel. So that's $3.51. And on this side, we have $2, 4 quarters, and 5 dimes. So that would be 3.5. So greater than sign. Let's skip to number 3. $2, 2 dimes, 5 pennies. That's $2.25. $1, 5 quarters, 1 nickel. That's $2.26. So less than sign. Number 4, 4 quarters, 2 nickels. That's $1.10. And then 10 dimes, 1 nickel, 5 pennies. 10 dimes is $1. So $1 and 1 nickel plus 5 pennies is 10 cents. So it's an equal to sign. And the rest of these are the same. Lastly, we have word problems. Number 1, Joseph bought a dog collar for $4.75 and a leash for $6.38. How much money did Joseph spend? So we'll add that together. Add the 2 things he bought together. And we will get $11.13. Number 2, Clark has 2 quarters and 1 nickel. Ben has the equivalent set using dimes and nickels. Ben has 8 coins. How many dimes and nickels does Ben have? So this would take trial and error. So Clark has 2 quarters and 1 nickel. So that would be 2 quarters is 50 cents plus a nickel 5 cents, which is 55 cents. So Ben has 55 cents, but in dimes and nickels, and he has to have exactly 8 coins. So let's try 2 dimes. That would be 20 cents. So we need 35 cents more to get 55. So 35 cents in nickels, that would be 35 divided by 5. The worth of a nickel is 5, which is 7 nickels. But if we add that together, that would be 9 coins. So we need to have less coins. So let's turn 2 dimes into 3 dimes, because dimes are worth more. So if he has more dimes, then he would have less coins overall, because there won't have to be as many nickels. So 3 dimes is 30 cents, and then he needs 25 cents more to get 55 cents. And so 25 divided by 5 is 5 nickels. And that's great. If we add 3 dimes, 5 nickels, that's 8 coins in all. So 3 dimes, 5 nickels. Ooh, that's a bad box. This combination. Number 3, colonial Americans used Spanish silver dollar coins. The dollar was cut into 8 bits called pieces of 8. If 2 bits equal 25 cents, what did 4 bits equal? So 4 is twice the amount of 2. So 4 bits would be equal twice the amount of 25. So 25. So that means 25 times 2 equals 50. And then number 4, Susan bought a dog bowl for $2.59 and a chew bone for $4.75. She paid with a $10 bill. How much change can she get? So we'll add the 2 things she bought together. And we get $7.34, and we'll subtract it from $10, which she paid with. And we'll subtract. And then we'll get $2.66 in change. Thank you for watching.